predecessor, successor, and greatest, smallest numbers, ascending and descending order. Understood? So ascending order, descending order, greater than, less than, and next predecessor, successor. All simple only. So do you know what is predecessor? What is predecessor? Predecessor is nothing but the number which comes just before the given number. For example, 143. What is the predecessor of 123? So predecessor is nothing but just before than that number. So just before than this number. So what is the just before that number? Before number is 122. So this 122 is nothing but predecessor. Predecessor. This 122 is nothing but predecessor of 123. Understood? So 122 is nothing but predecessor of the 123 because it is before number. And next is successor. Successor is nothing but after number. Just after. Understood? So successor is nothing but after number. The number that comes after the given number. So what is the after number of 123? So which number comes after 123? Yes, it is 124. Understood? So 124 comes after 123. And 122 comes before 123. 122 comes before 123 and 124 comes after 123. 122 comes before 123. So before is nothing but predecessor. So it is before now. So this is nothing but predecessor. And next 124 comes after 123. So this is after. After is nothing but successor. So 124 is nothing but successor. Understood? So predecessor is nothing but before number. Successor is nothing but after number. Now all of you open your textbooks now. Take out your textbooks, all of you. Open your textbooks, page number 10. Page number 10. Practice on 3. Practice on 3. Okay. So complete the following table by filling the predecessor and successor of the given numbers. Complete the following table by filling the predecessor and successor of the given numbers. Already here numbers are there. We have to fill the predecessor and successor. So what is the first question? 6794. We have to write the predecessor and successor. To write the predecessor and successor, we have to check the ones place digit. So what is in ones place here? 4. So what is the number? Which number comes before 4? Before 4 is 3. So predecessor is nothing but 6793. Remaining digits are same. Only the ones place digit is different. So 4. Before 4 is 3. So predecessor is nothing but 6793. And next successor. Successor is nothing but after number now. Same. Check the ones place digit. It is 4. So 4 after What is in ones place? 7. So what is the before number of 7? 6. What about remaining 3 digits? Same. So 1776 is the predecessor and the successor is 1777. After 7 is 8. So 1778. Understood? And go for third one. 4832. We have to find the predecessor and successor of 4832. So check ones place digit 2. So if 2 in ones place, what will come? What is the before number of 2? Predecessor of 2? 1. So it is nothing but 4831. Okay, it is nothing but 4831. And next 32. 2 after 2 is, yes, 4833. That is the successor. And the last one, 8999. So what is the predecessor of 8999? We can write easily predecessor. We have 9 in ones place now. So if 9 in ones place, what is the before number? Which number comes before 9? 8. So remaining digits are same. 8999. Sorry, 8998. Understood? So 8 comes before 9. So 8998. Now we are going to write successor. If 9 in ones place, which number comes after 9? Which number comes after 9? 10. So but how many digits are there in 10? How many digits are there in 10? 2 digits are there. So if 2 digits are there means, can we write like this? Is it right? No, this is wrong. Understood? We should not write 10. If 9 in ones place, when we are writing the successor, we have to check the tens place digit. This is 99. Again here also 9. 999. So 3 9s are there. So in place of 9, we have to write zeros. Understood? 999. 3 9s are there. So in these 3 places we have to write zeros. And this is 8 now. Last digit. For last digit we have to add 1. So 8 plus 1 is 9. So 8999 after 9000. Understood? Understood? Okay. Predecessor and successor completed. Next, what is this symbol now? Which symbol it is? Yes, it is greater than symbol. Greater than symbol. And this is which symbol it is? Less than symbol. This is nothing but less than symbol. And this is which symbol it is? Equal to. This is equal to symbol. Understood? So to compare the numbers, we have to use these 3 symbols. Greater than, less than, equal. To compare the numbers, we have to use these 3 symbols. Greater than, less than, equal. 3 symbols we have to use. But when we have to use greater than symbol, when we have to use less than symbol, and when we have to use equal to symbol. So when we should use greater than symbol? So comparing means at least 2 numbers will be there. For example, 7635, 4296. Here 2 numbers are there. I am going to compare these 2 numbers. So first one, to compare the numbers, first digits. If same number of digits, then we have to check the highest place value. In highest place value, this is 7 and this is 4. So 7 is bigger or smaller than 4? 7 is greater or smaller than 4? Greater. So 7635 is greater. That means it is in first place and this is in second place. If first number is greater, then we have to use greater than symbol. Understood? If the first number is greater, then we have to use greater than symbol. And 4296, 7635. Here first number is smaller. If first number is smaller, then we have to use less than symbol. Understood? If the first number is greater, then we have to use greater than symbol. If first number is smaller, then we have to use less than symbol. What about is equal to? Equal to? Equal to is nothing but if both the numbers are same, then we have to use equal symbol. For example, 1234 and 1234. Both are 4-digit numbers and same digits in each and every place. So these two are equal. So it is nothing but equal. Understood? So 1234, 1234. Both are equal. So is equal to symbol. Understood? Understood this one? Yes. Now practice zone 4. Practice zone 4. And 1493. So understood for everybody. So try these sums. I am writing questions. Before copying these questions, you have to try in your books. $8,475, 5,067, and next 5,366, 5,366, 6,987, 6,897, 4,459, 4,460. Now total 6 questions are there. Go for first one. 1,439, 1,493. How many digits in first one? 4. And here 4 digits. So same number of digits. First digit is 1, 1. Same. Next to 4, 4 is also same. 3, 9. So 3 and 9 are different. So 3 is smaller or greater? Smaller. So if the first number is less, then which symbol we have to write? Less than symbol. This is less than symbol. Okay. And next 3,974, 4,581. Both are 4-digit numbers only, but here in thousands place 3 and 4 in thousands place. So 3 and 4 are different. So 3 is smaller or greater than 4? Smaller than 4. So smaller means the first number is smaller. If the first number is smaller, so what is the symbol? Less than symbol. And go for next one. 8,475, 5,067. 8,475, 5,067. Both are 4-digit numbers only. Here 18,000 place and 5 5366, 5366. Both are 4-digit number and both the numbers are same. So what is the symbol? Equal to. Okay. And next 6987, 6897. So both 4-digit numbers only. Both are 4-digit numbers only, but 6, 6. Both are same. If the same digit in thousands place, then we have to check the hundreds place digit. What is in hundreds place here? 9, 8. So 9 and 8 in hundreds place. So 9 is greater or smaller than 8? Greater. That means first number is greater than the second number. If the first number is greater than the second number, what is the symbol? Greater than symbol. Good. Next 4459 and 4460. 59, 60. So both are 4-digit numbers and 4000, 4000. 4, 4 in thousands place, 4, 4 in hundreds place, and if thousands and hundreds are same, then compare the tens place. So this is 5 and this is 6. Both are same or different? Different. So 5 is smaller or greater than 6? Smaller than 6. That means this is smaller than this number. That means first number is less than the second number. So what symbol will come? Less than symbol. So 4459 is less than 4460. Is it right? Yes. So everybody finished? Good. Next, ascending and descending order. Do you know what is ascending order? Do you know what is ascending order? So arranging the numbers from smaller to bigger. So ascending is nothing but arranging the numbers from small to big. So small to big. And descending is nothing but arranging from big to small. Okay. So descending order is nothing but arranging from big to small. Ascending is small to big. So label the following coaches of the trains with the given numbers in ascending order. Here label the coaches of the trains with the given numbers. Here coaches are there. So we have to label these numbers in ascending order. Understood? So what are the numbers are given here? 8345, 8945, 8558 and 8341. So we have to label these numbers on coaches. Coaches, these boxes are there now. So on these boxes we have to label these numbers in ascending order. So in ascending order, to arrange either in ascending order or in descending order, first count number of digits. So all these numbers are how many digit numbers? First number is 4-digit number, second number, third number and fourth number also 4-digit numbers. So if all the numbers are 4-digit numbers, we should start compare from highest place value, which is in left side. Highest place value is always in left side. So 8, 8, 8, 8. All are same. So the same digit in thousands place also. If the same digit in thousands place, then what we should do? We should compare the hundreds place digit. What is in hundreds place? 3, 9, 5, 3. So in 3, 9, 5 and 3, which one is smaller? 3 or 5 or 9? 3 is smaller. But this is 3 and this is also 3. So both in these both numbers 3 in hundreds place. So we should compare the tens place. So what is in tens place? 4, 4. Again tens also same. So we should compare the ones place digit. 5 in ones place and 1 in ones place. So in 5 and 1, which is smaller, 5 or 1? Which one is smaller? 1 is smaller. So this number is smallest or this is smallest? Yes. 8341 is smaller. 8341 is smaller than the 8345. After that 8345. Now in 9 and 5, which one is smaller? Yes, 8558 is smaller. After that 8945. That's all. Understood? 8945. Understood? And go for next question. 2223, 2256, 9543 and 4651. Now compare these numbers and say which is the smallest number. Ascending order, small to big. So 4 digits, 4 digits, 4 digits, 4 digits. So compare thousands place. Thousands place digit. 2, 2, 9, 4. So which is smaller? 2 is smaller. But this is 2 and this is also 2. So compare hundreds place. 2, 2. Both are same in hundreds place. So compare the tens place digits. So what is in tens place? 2 and 5. So in 2 and 5, which one is smaller? 2 or 5? 2 is smaller than 5. So 2223 is smaller than the 2256. So 2223, 2256. In these two, which one is smaller? Yes, 4651. Why 4651 is smaller? Because the 9 in thousands place and 4 in thousands place. Okay, good. So last one is 9543. Understood? This is ascending order. Like this only we have to compare, but we have to arrange from big to small in descending order. Okay? In descending order, we should compare from bigger, we should write from big to small. Same. Coaches are given, we have to arrange these numbers on coaches in descending order. Second bit. 5762, 4820, 2213, 2222. So I will write one more question on the board. Before that, we have to arrange this in descending order. Arrange these numbers in descending order. 8673, 8671, 9234, 9134. So arrange in descending order. So here 4 digit, 4 digit, 4 digit, 4 digit number. All are 4 digit numbers. So compare first digit 5, 4, 2, 2. Here which is bigger one? Big number is? Yes, 5762. After that 4820. After that, this is 2 in thousands place and here also 2 in thousands place. So check hundreds place. What is in hundreds place here? 2 in hundreds place and 2 in hundreds place. So hundreds also same. So go for tens. 1 10 and 2 tens. So 1 10 is greater or 2 tens are greater? 2 tens are greater. So 2222 is greater than the 2213. So again 2213 is the last one. Is it in descending order? Yes. And next, here also all these numbers are 4-digit numbers, and compare. I am not going to explain this one. You have to tell which is greater and how it is greater. Yes, 9234 is greater, but how? Yes, all are 4-digit numbers only. So 8 8 9 9. Alright. So 8 is smaller than 9. Then 9 9 both are same. So we have to compare the next digit. Good. So what is the next digit? 2 1. So which one is greater? 2 is greater. So 9234 is greater. After that 9134. Next 8673, 8671. So 8 8 is same. 6 6 also same. 7 7 also same. 3 1. So 3 is greater or 1 is greater? 3 is greater. So 8673 is greater. After that 8671. Understood? Ascending order and descending order. Ascending order is nothing but arranging the numbers from smallest to greatest. Descending order is nothing but arranging the numbers from greatest to smallest. Understood? Big to small is descending order, small to big is ascending order. Okay? Now take out your worksheets. Open your worksheets. In page number 7. In page number 7, 5th bit, and in page number 8, 7th bit, 8th bit, 5th bit, 6th bit also. Already representation on abacus is completed. So represent these numbers on the abacus. Do this one also. 5th bit, 6th bit, 7th bit and 8th bit. These 4 bits you have to do in today's homework. Understood? So today's homework is page number 7. Page number 7, 5 6 bits. In page number 7, 5 6, 5th bit and 6th bit. Next, in page number 8, page number 8, 7th bit, 8th bit also. 7th bit, 8th bit. 7 8 bits in worksheet. In worksheet. This is your homework. So 5th bit is nothing but predecessor, right? Predecessor and successor. 6th bit representation on abacus. 7th bit less than, greater than, and 8th bit arranging in ascending and descending order. Okay.